Hello everyone, I have come with a nice viral math problem. If you want, you can find answer yourself first. You can write it in the comments. Let's start. We will give you two different solutions. Let's start with first solution. First, exponent 6 power 2, 6 times 6 equals 36. Now subtraction 36 minus 20 equals 16. Now division 16 divided 4 equals 4. Now subtraction 4 minus 3 equals 1. Parenthesis 8 minus 5 equals 3. Finally multiplication 1 times 3 equals 3. If you solve the problem this way, you made a mistake. Because when solving the problem, we should have pay attention to order of operation. The order of operation is coded as PEMDAS. B parenthesis A exponent, M multiplication, D division, A addition, S subtraction. Okay. If we have another rule, there is no order multiplication and division. Operation are done from left to right. Similarly, there is no order addition and subtraction. Operation are done from left to right. Okay. Repeat. First, parenthesis, exponent, multiplication and division, not ordered from left to right. Addition and subtraction, not ordered from left to right. Okay. Now let's solve the equation according to the rule. Exponent, subtraction, division, subtraction, multiplication, parenthesis. First, exponent and parenthesis. 6 power 2 equals 6 times 6 equals 36. Parenthesis 8 minus 5 equals 3 times 3. Now there are subtraction, division, subtraction, multiplication. First, division and multiplication. When you divide 4 equals 5, 3 times 3 equals 9. Finally, subtraction, left to right. 36 minus 5 equals 31. Finally, subtraction, 31, 6, 9 equals 22. The correct answer will be 22. Okay. Great job! Today we're learning the wrong answer and correct answer and rule behind it. I hope it makes sense now. We reached the end of our video. Now solve the question on the screen. Write your answer in the comments. Let's see if you can find the correct answer. Subscribe from the logo on the screen for new videos. You can check out other videos from the boxes next to it. See you in the next video.